Hello people, we are going to show you how to assemble the Johnson Digital stand. Now to take you through the entire procedure step by step, first we will show you the components of the stand. This is the base of the stand. This is one single piece that you're going to get. These are the two side parts of the stand. So remember there will be two of these. Then you have provision to keep SKUs on the stand. So you're going to get two pieces of these. After that, you're going to get nuts and bolts for the complete fixing of the stand. Then for the branding bit, you're going to get this little metal stand and you're going to get the branding of the printer pasted on the material that has been used and this branding material which says Johnson Digital and the US piece. To start the fixing, first this is the base. You need to keep it in such a way that these four corners face on top. Then you take one of the side stands and you fix it in such a way that the four parts go into the side stand, and then you've got to bolt it up. After this one is fixed with nuts and bolts, you take the other side stand and you fix it in the same way. And again you fix it over there with nuts and bolts. As mentioned before, we have two stands where we can keep the tiles. Now here you have to be very careful because there are two. One will be fixed at the back and one will be fixed in the front. This is the one that is fixed in the front. If you can see, there are two holes for the nuts and bolts. This is the back part and this is how it will be fixed. This has to come in the front and that will be at the back. But now if you look at the second stand, there are four places to put the nuts and bolts. This will be placed at the back. Now if you see, these four spaces will be placed in such a way that they match the four places on the stand. So then once you place it properly, it has to be shifted a little on top, and after that you put your nuts and bolts and fix it there permanently. Now if you see, we fixed the back tile stand. Once, if you notice, there is a gap between the rod and the stand, which is done deliberately. So when the second stand comes up, it will be easy to see tiles from both the stands. Now to fix the stand which is up ahead in front, you have 6 places where you need to put in the nuts and bolts. That's 1, 2, 3 here, 4, 5 and 6. Is the second the stand that comes up ahead, where we need to fix it on the stand. If you notice, there is no gap here. This will be on the rods itself. And you need to place it in such a way that you can fix the nuts and bolts in those 6 places that I showed you. Now after you fix that, we will put up the branding. Branding that is going to be used on the top part of the stand. Now if you turn it around and see, you will see a provision made so we can fix it on the stand. I will show you where it needs to be fixed exactly on the stand. It will be fixed over here. This is what it will look after you fix it onto the tile. If you notice, we've left a lot of space over here. So once you place the tiles over here, the tiles will not cover the USP. Now there is a second branding piece that we have, which is this. This basically is an image of a printer with a stand over there where you will have the tile. Now please note, the stand and the printer image will be separate. They will not be a single piece. You will have to attach it at your end. Now again, there is a provision given behind this to fix it onto the stand. This will come over here. So when you fix it, it will look something like this. Now once this is fixed, you will notice there is a little gap over here. The reason we left the gap is when you put the tile over here, the tile needs to be put in this gap so it looks like the tile is coming out of the printer. Now I will show the tile. We will place a tile over here and then I will show you how it looks. you need to put the tile inside and then place it at the base over here so it doesn't slip. So the reason to put it inside is to make sure that it looks like it's coming out of the printer, which achieves the purpose of digitally printed. Now if you see the side of the stand, just to show you the side, this is how it will look. These are where your tiles will come in. Now we will just place a tile over there and we will show you how you need to place it. Please make sure you use ONE highlighter tiles so people can see the complete range. This is how you're going to place a number of tiles on these stands. So once a person sees this stand, he will even see the options that he has in this particular series.